Hi, in today's video I'll share 3 reasons why I decided to return my GoPro Hero 12. Firstly, the initial struggle was more of a pinpoint than a deal breaker. When I received the camera, I was super excited to unbox it. I didn't read the manuals. I thought it's just a camera, how hard could it be? Turns out I could not open the cover to insert the battery. After checking the manuals, I realized I was doing it right. It's just that the cover was stiffer than I expected. I was concerned about potentially breaking it since I needed to open it every single time I accessed the memory card. I could store it in the cloud, but accessing them via memory card was way faster for me. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Before we move on, I should mention that GoPro's Quik app was fantastic and setting up the camera was breeze. Just scan the QR code, follow the instruction and you're ready to use your GoPro with your phone. There's also an option to subscribe to GoPro, offering a warranty, cloud usage and more, which is why I quickly subscribed. Now, since I returned the camera, I cancelled the subscription. However, I'm not sure if I'll get a refund. I'll find out in 2 business days. I'll update that in the comment below. I also read about transferring the subscription. If my refund is rejected, I'll have to figure that out later. The second reason revolves around the quality of the shots. I used GoPro and my iPhone as backups, and surprisingly, my iPhone's quality was much better. The GoPro struggled with the low lighting indoor setup, and while I could enhance it with better lighting, my phone worked just fine in that scenario. If I took an action shot outdoors in nature, even in the high motion shot, it would give me a perfect shot and a more comprehensive view than I would imagine. Considering I'm not a person who typically participates in high action video activities, this situation left me questioning whether investing in lighting for an action camera was worth it. Lastly, the third and decisive reason was the camera was getting hotter after shooting roughly a 9-minute video on a cold day. I was concerned about what would happen during longer recordings. After some research and reaching out to the stores, I discovered that higher resolution video indoors could cause the GoPro to overheat. However, that's precisely why I needed the camera for. So I made the call to return it and await the arrival of a camera that better suits my needs. It's not for me, but it may be for you. Thank you for watching.